Varun Sharma and you are watching Biz. It's showtime. Keep watching.
Hello everyone, I'm Deepa Avtani on your show Biz. It's Showtime. Thank you so much for joining us. World Wide Web, या कहा जाए weird wild web. I think that's what has happened in 2020. Things have got interconnected with the internet. The world has become indeed small. Everybody's connected to each other in some or the other way. And yes, there is exciting but weird stories that have come across, and that's what Chutzpah is all about. It's a showcase of 5 individuals connected through one small story, and you'll be seeing that throughout. But hey, well, there's a lot of quirky side to it, a lot of quirky entertainment. And I must say, Varun Sharma from Fukre, your favorite chucha, is making his web series OTT debut on Sony Live on the show called Chutzpah. So let's wait no more and welcome Varun Sharma. Thank you so much, Varun, for joining us on Biscuit Showtime.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That was so sweet. And even I was just wondering when you said that was a very catchy thing, that is it World Wide Web or is it Weird Wide Web? That's actually a very cool. We should have used that in our as a tagline for our show, because that exactly is what our show is.
Well, absolutely. It's a perfect dose of entertainment, I must say. Varun, we are seeing you after Ruhi, which was, coming, we were back in theaters, 11th March, we could see you in Australia. So we were excited about, going back to theaters. But we are seeing your debut now on OTT. And again, guys, it's on Sony Live. Download it from Android Play Store or App Store. And it's coming on 23rd July. Tell us, Varun, how did you find going back with the team, your Fukre team? Manjot, yourself, and the director of the show himself, Mriddeep Singh Lamba. So tell us about that, rapport again.
Oh, it was amazing, yeah. I mean, with the grace of God, it's my sixth venture with Mrixer.
Wow.
Yeah, he's actually like how they have godfathers in the industry. I think he's my god brother in the industry because he's the one who kind of nurtured me. He's the one who kind of gave me that break. And right from the test for Fukre, it was a rigorous process because I didn't know him before that. He didn't know me before that. I was this actor who wanted to audition for a film, and through the process. So he's literally seen me grow. He's literally seen me he's literally nurtured me in every step of my career, of my life, of my performances. And so it was like homecoming for me, to be very honest. And because it had Mrixer, it had Manjot. So these are the people that I started off my career with, I started off my life with in terms of work. And obviously it had Mr. Dinesh Vijayan, who's like my elder brother, and I've done a few ventures with him. So it was, and when you working with like your family atmosphere or your friends, there's a lot of comfort and there's a lot of easiness. You don't feel or you don't doubt that if I'm going to ask this, I'm going to look stupid, or it's a dumb question to ask. Should I ask? Should I not ask? Because that comfort, that easiness is always there. And because then you can ask the most random of questions and the most random of things and be just the crazy your own self. That's what it kind of adds on to your performance as well. And sometimes the most stupidest of things come out as the greatest of things. That's a fact of life. I mean, that even happens in life. It happens in our daily life as well. So that way, it's a blessing. That I was blessed that I had the people and the family around, or the friends around, which were very comforting throughout the process. And it's a very interesting show. And how you said it right now, with the grace of God, when Ruby came. And again, it was with Mr. Dinesh Vijayan. He produced it, and it was with Mrixer, who's also the producer of the film. So it was the same team, and so we were chatting. I think with the grace of God, we kind of came in theater after so long, and we got the love from the audience, and it kind of did so well and all that. And now all three of us are literally making our OTT debuts with Chutzpah, and so it's pretty interesting, yeah. And I think the show, to be very honest, it's a maddening show. I mean, what you see in the trailer, what the madness that the show offers is really interesting. And I keep saying this. I was chatting with my team, and I keep saying it. For us, I personally feel that it's going to be one of those path-breaking shows which can introduce a new genre in the country and in the web world, and that also in our own language. So for me, it's a very, very special show because it's something different that we kind of tried on, and we really hope that people kind of like it. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. I think we are eagerly awaiting for it, especially with the trailer. It speaks volume. While it does highlight the dark side of the digital age, I must say, but it's got a lot of entertainment, which is per se family welcoming too. So you guys can have a seat together and watch it together. Especially, I must talk about random things, as you said. Your prayer before the meeting and a lot of fun elements. Were those improvisations from any inspirations, or was it scripted?
There was an improvisation. To be very honest, it was Mr. Mlikdeep Singh Lamba and Amit Babbar who written the show, and so it was there in the scripts. I mean, there are instances which kind of happens, but the improvisations or the nuances that we kind of added were already to the scene given. So it wasn't
Okay.
anyone from us that we kind of added. I don't want to take the credit because I'll get hammered if I lie. अरे नहीं नहीं हमारा था यार मतलब सुबह ही गोली मार देंगे वो कहेंगे क्या कर रहा था तू. But to be very honest, and again, but it is chutzpah, the characters. Once you see the show in another week's time, it is from the people that you've seen. You literally say that, oh, I know someone like this. Oh, this is the X person does that. Y person does that. It has that relatability factor because it talks about web, it talks about the digital age, it talks about, like we all said, the hero of the series is the internet. It is not
Absolutely.
it is not the actors, it is not one particular person, two, three, whatever. The hero of the entire series is the internet. And internet in today's time, it's like it's in our blood. I mean, we can't live without it. Even the thought of staying without internet for a week is kind of like, shakes you up. So uh, as much as it kind of offers the good side of it, it also has a lot of darker side to it, and which we don't realize, and which is very important during the course of something that you're doing. We have to
Mm-hmm.
rectify certain things, and that's what, in the most lightest and the most fun and the most entertaining manner, it kind of shows the same thing. I mean, even if one perception of a person changes while while watching the show, I think with the grace of God, then the team has done its job, and it's kind of it's out there, because
Yes.
we all know it's crazy what people are doing for just likes and comments and for validation from people that they don't know on the social media, on the web. So it's a pretty interesting take on it, and it's very different, and that's why we're very kicked about it, because something new that we kind of attempted.
Absolutely. And as I said, the trailer itself is so promising and exciting. Talking about, six characters that are there. And you just said this is your sixth venture with the Fukre team. And it typically, Chucha style. I must say your first debut happened after 6 years of you being in Mumbai, like, trying. And I recall your sister saying, 6 saal lag gaye from the theater seat to the theater screen.
Yeah.
Now you're also coming on OTT, and it's just a fantastic learning and full of encouraging journey. What do you want to tell other people, where the world is so much evolving when it comes to cinema now?
Wow.
How can they make their way, or be prepared for it?
You're saying this, and I'm getting goosebumps. I'm not joking. I've got goosebumps while you say this, because
Yeah.
time flies there. All I have to say, I keep telling my friends who are aspiring to be actors, who are in the city, who are doing the round of auditions. I'm a very firm believer, but to be very honest, if you believe in something and if you do it with all honesty and if you do it with all shiddat and all heart, life gives you that one opportunity to make it happen. Then it's up
Yes.
to you how you're going to convert that one thing into 10, into 100, into two, or you're just happy with that one particular thing that you've got. But if you're doing it with all your heart, it's going to give you that
Yes.
one shot. And I myself, I'm a product of auditions. Through auditions, I, with the grace of God, have been a part of a feature film, have been the poster boys of the, poster boy of a lot of different films, which is backed by the biggest of banners in the country, which is supported by the biggest of stars in the country, and which is, with the grace of God, has the most amazing content. So it is all because of auditions. So when people say, or, we hear around people that nahi audition se nahi hota, it is only about connections, it is only about XYZ, it is only about the, the relations that you have and all that. It's all a lie. And I am a standing product, like in front of you, that I literally have come from auditions. I did not know anyone when I moved into the city. I used to be that boy who used to run around studio to studio, stand in lines, get rejected, not get, like used to get shortlisted but never used to get confirmed. Faced everything, did everything and all that. But I was just at it and I kept doing it because this is what my job was. Like, I had to wake up in the morning and I had to go for different auditions and, kind of tell them that, hey, this is me. And if I fit the bill, like, let me prove myself and, let me show you my talent, what I have and all that. That was my job. And with the grace of God, it kind of paid off. Yeah. Like, Fukre for me was a 6 months process. Like, from the first audition till I got confirmed was 6 months process. And there is multiple round of auditions that happened, the multiple round of readings that happened. So it's not easy. I will not say it's easy. It's not easy, but you have to be just persistent and be focused and do it with all your heart. And with the grace of God, it's going to mature. It's going to happen. So yeah, that's my message. That audition, if you're out there, and yeah, for the musicians, keep making those tracks, keep making those sounds, keep making it with all your heart, because you never know what's going to click where. So it's going to happen. Because that one opportunity is going to happen. You are going to get.
Yeah, that's one cracker of an opportunity. Well, in person or digital, in person ja rahe ho to mask pehen ke jana audition ke liye. But do take Varun's advice there. It's hard work and your audition purely which will get you there. And it's all about learning the weird, wild journey. And we are looking forward to Chutzpah coming on 23rd of July on Sony Live app. Please don't forget to download and look forward to Chutzpah. Varun, thank you so much for coming on Biscuit Showtime. I'm Deepa Avtani, and thank you once again. We look forward to watching Chutzpah.
Thank you so much, Deepa. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.